If your windows and doors look like Swiss cheese, you're a homeowner in need of Cardiff and Vale glazing. Our high-security windows and doors are built to defend against everything from UK weather extremes and alien invasions to medieval battering ram attacks. We even try to accommodate for the zombie apocalypse. Seriously, these things are tougher than a month-old fruitcake. And guess what? We're located in Barry, just 20 minutes from Cardiff, in the famous land of Gavin and Stacey. Make an appointment to visit our showroom, check out the massive range of windows and doors on display, and maybe even test them against an alien and his pet attack guard dog slimy thing. Speaking of pet aliens, every purchase comes with a free pet alien amoeba or a goodie bag. Yes, you heard that right. While stocks last, of course. And we're fast running out of slimy green and grey aliens. Invest in your property today to protect it, as well as your family and possessions for tomorrow. Stay secure, stay warm, stay dry, spend less on heating, and sleep easy knowing that your home is an alien-safe fortress. Cardiff and Vale Glazing, because peace of mind should be out of this world. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Nanu Nanu.